Me and this little guy are having a moment. But most of the time a squirrel will just run away. But I tried to like communicate with it mentally. You know, when I saw it, we locked eyes. And then I asked it, "Are you the little Sasquatch? Can you transmute into an animal?" Because, you know, I'm here at this structure area where they build. But my little friend has been sitting here for over a minute in the same position, just staring at me. And I find it to be very odd. I can't even get the squirrels at my house to stick around for 1 second, and we feed them. And if I open the door, they are gone, they bolt. This little friend, it's like he wanted to be on the video today. I've seen a juvenile in this area. It's interesting to hear stories about Sasquatch turning into animals. Of course, there's stories. I don't hear a lot of first-hand accounts of it. But sometimes I wonder what's going on with animals and Sasquatch in that relationship. But this little guy is just hanging with me, like intent on just staring at me. And there, finally he broke the gaze. Just so strange. Is this normal squirrel behavior? I stood here for a long time before I decided I'd even make a video watching it, and then I said, okay, if I move and I put my hands in my pocket and get out my phone, and if he's still there, I'll make the video. And it's amazing, here for 2.5 minutes he's just hanging out, doing nothing. But I even got the feeling in my mind as we looked at each other. I thought, what would it be like to stand here and look at the Sasquatch and to be this calm as with another animal? And I don't know what's going on with this guy right now, but there is something going on with the squirrel. Freaking me out a little bit. Don't know how to explain it. Are you the Sasquatch brother? Do you know the Sasquatch people? I swear this is super abnormal behavior for a squirrel. Hi, friend. Are you okay? And he's connected to this new build. This is all a new build here. Some of this stuff, a few of them were put up and a few are new. But it's like he's, look at his arms right up on the structure itself. All that connectivity we talk about, it's all sprawling down. I think that was a super strange occurrence with that squirrel. I don't know what that was all about. Friendly little guy, I guess.